Hey DIY enthusiasts, welcome back. Today we're diving into the world of engraving with our top 3 best DIY engraving electric drills for 2024. Whether you're a hobbyist or a professional, these mini drills are perfect for adding that extra touch of precision to your projects. If you want more information on the updated price of the product, make sure to check the product links below in the description box. So, let's get started. Number 3. Cordless Rotary Tool. Dremel drill with accessories. This USB cordless rotary tool is engineered with precision and flexibility in mind. It features a 3-speed electric drill with adjustable speed regulation. You can choose from 3 distinct speeds: 8,500 RPM, 16,500 RPM, or 21,000 RPM. This versatility ensures you can tackle a wide range of tasks with ease. One of the standout features of this rotary tool is its intelligent chip and high-speed silent motor. The intelligent chip controls the speed settings, ensuring smooth operation and precision. The high-speed silent motor not only delivers powerful performance, but also operates quietly, so you can work comfortably without disturbing your environment. Another impressive feature is the large-capacity lithium battery with a robust 2,200 mAh rating. This battery is not only safe and durable, but also ensures long-lasting battery life, so you can work on your projects without frequent interruptions. This tool is perfect for a variety of applications. For sculpture, it's ideal for carving small to medium-sized objects like wood, jade, and stone. If you need to peel surfaces or finish wood, this tool handles that with ease. It's also suitable for drilling thin materials such as wood, jade, and plastic. The rotary tool excels at cutting through wood, jade, metal, and plastic. And for those finishing touches, it's perfect for polishing surfaces, whether they are made of wood or metal. Inside the tool, you'll find a powerful 35-watt high-power pure copper motor that's built to last. The all-copper clamp core ensures high concentricity without shaking, making it durable and resistant to wear. And let's not forget about the accessories. This tool comes with a comprehensive set of attachments, enhancing its versatility and making it an all-in-one solution for your creative needs. Number 2. ARROWMAX Cordless Drill for Crafts. Let's start with the standout feature of this drill, its super mini size. The ARROWMAX cordless drill weighs just 46 grams, making it incredibly lightweight and easy to operate with just one hand. Despite its small size, it delivers exceptional performance and precision. Charging this tool is a breeze. It requires only 50 minutes to charge fully and provides 90 minutes of uninterrupted working time. The LED indicator keeps you informed about the battery status and working conditions, ensuring you never run out of power unexpectedly. The ARROWMAX drill is designed with a pocket-sized metal housing that feels great in your hand. With a rotation speed of 550 RPM and a capacity of 350 mAh lithium polymer battery, it combines powerful performance with high work efficiency. Equipped with 10 different sizes of drill bits, ranging from 0.6 millimeters to 2.2 millimeters, and a 2.35 millimeter diameter shaft, this drill can handle a variety of materials including plastic, wood, leather, and more. The bits are easy to change without any tools, and they are magnetically held in place in the included aluminum case for convenience. Illuminate your work area with the built-in shadowless lights. The drill features 4 LEDs that light up the chuck area, helping you see clearly and focus on your drilling tasks. Operation is incredibly simple with the one-key button design. Press once to make the drill spin clockwise, press again for counterclockwise, and press a third time to turn it off. This intuitive control makes it easy to use without needing to hold down any buttons. Finally, the drill bits are neatly stored in a durable aluminum CNC storage box. The bits are securely held in place magnetically, making transportation and storage hassle-free. Number 1. FOCSE DIY Drill. The FOCSE DIY Drill comes with 2 high-quality electric drills and an impressive range of features. First off, let's talk about versatility. This drill is compatible with a wide range of materials, including wood, glass, plastic, and metal, making it perfect for various crafting projects. Designed with user comfort in mind, the FOCSE DIY Drill features an ergonomic handle and a lightweight body. This ensures ease of use even during extended periods of work, reducing fatigue and enhancing precision. One of the standout features is its dual LED lighting. These lights illuminate your work area, providing clear visibility even in dimly lit spaces. This enhancement allows for greater accuracy and control. The FOCSE DIY Drill boasts an adjustable speed range with 6 different settings, from 8,000 RPM to 30,000 RPM. Included with the drill is a comprehensive accessory kit featuring 236 pieces. This extensive kit covers a wide range of DIY projects, from woodworking to metal engraving, offering you everything you need for versatile applications. With an output power of 180 watts, this mini drill is perfect for precise work on metals, plastics, wood, glass, and ceramics. It's designed for both detailed engraving and surface processing, ensuring you can tackle any project with ease. Featuring a flexible shaft chuck, the FOCSE DIY Drill allows for easy adjustment of collets to fit different accessories. The metal material collet nut securely locks the collet, and you can replace it to accommodate fittings from 0.5 millimeters to 3 millimeters. The drill can also be transformed into a hanging mill, which is incredibly convenient for handling complex tasks. With a 360-degree flexible axis, it adapts to various angles and positions, making your work even more manageable. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Don't forget to check out the links in the description for more details and where to buy these amazing engraving drills. Leave a comment below and let us know which drill is your favorite, or if you have any other recommendations. Until next time, happy engraving and stay creative.